Hi everyone, welcome to PB Adventure. I'm Pascal and today we'll be doing Botanical Beach. So let's head out. So here you go guys, we're here, but before I get started, I just want to say that my first time in Port Renfrew and so far getting into the city was great. It has that beautiful bay and mountain in the background, that old village vibe. I think it's amazing, so I'm hoping we're gonna have fun doing the trail and so one thing to know before you head out to Botanical Beach is that the best time to actually go and visit is during the low tide. So make sure you do your research. Today we're gonna be there just a little bit before the low tide, so we should see the water leave and then we'll go explore all those little water pod and have fun there. The trail is very easy, very well marked. Yeah, can't wait to see the ocean.
N'importe qui, s'appuie-toi et je t'ai dit n'importe quoi. Il suffisait de te parler pour t'apprivoiser. Oh, Champs-Élysées, oh, Champs-Élysées. Au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tout ce que vous voulez aux Champs-Élysées. Tu m'as dit, j'ai rendez-vous dans un sous-sol avec des fous qui vivent la guitare à la main du soir au matin. Alors je t'ai accompagné, on a chanté, on a dansé et on n'a même pas pensé à s'embrasser. Oh, Champs-Élysées, oh, Champs-Élysées. Au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tout ce que vous voulez aux Champs-Élysées. Hier soir, deux inconnus, et ce matin sur l'avenue, deux amoureux tout étourdis par la longue nuit. Et de l'étoile à la concorde, un orchestre à bout de corps, tous les oiseaux du coin du jour chantent l'amour. Oh, Champs-Élysées, Champs-Élysées. Au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tout ce que vous voulez aux Champs-Élysées. Oh, Champs-Élysées.
It's too bad, I really feel I don't have enough time in this place. The beach goes on forever, but family life, I'm gonna have to leave soon because I have a big 2-hour drive to do. But highly recommend this place in the low tide. It's amazing. You have to do Botanical Beach and Botanical Beach. It's amazing. Hey guys, why did a hiker bring a ladder? Because he wanted to bring his hiking skill to the next level.